Hello, welcome to Text Sharmit. In this session, we will cover the basics of text editing in Excel. So for the same, I have created two columns here with some data, and we will use this data to demonstrate the text editing. Okay, so let's start from the line number 4. Here I have written bold. So before that, we can see that there are two headers, with editing and without editing. So in the with editing column, we will see the impact of editing, and whereas we will not apply all the editing for the without editing column. Okay, so now we will see the first example, that is bold. So if you want to represent or show some text with some high importance, in that case we will use the bold. Okay, so how we will apply the bold to this text? So just click that cell on which you want to show some high importance, and then select B from this font block. So once you click the B, we can see that now it is highlighted, and we can uh, easily identify that this text contains some high importance. So that's how we bold the text. Now, what is the shortcut of making the text bold? The shortcut for making the text bold is Control B. So once you press Control B on your keyboard, it will highlight the text, as we can see in line number 4. So that's how we can bold the text. Now the second thing is italic. So what is italic? Italic font editing is mainly used for showing some text in a italic form. Means it will show the text slightly tilted toward right side. So for that, just click on the cell and now select I from this font block. So once you click on I, we can say that now the text is slightly shifted toward the right side. So that's how we can make the text italic form. Okay, now another one is for underline. So if you want to write if you want to make underline to any text, so what we need to do, we have to just click that cell. Now click on this U. Here U means underline. So once you click on U, it will show a underline bottom your text. So this is without editing, so it is showing as normal. But if we press Control U or we select from here, it will show the underline bottom to the text. Here we have one more option, that is double underline. So if you want to make a underline with double line, so just click on this D, so it will show as a double underline, and the shortcut for underline is Control U. We will cover all the shortcut in the upcoming sessions, and for this session we will mainly cover the basic things that we will select from directly from the font block. Now we will see another option, that is background color. So if you want to apply color to any cell, background color to any cell, so what we need to do, we have to click on cell, and then after clicking on cell we can directly, so now just after selecting the cell, just click on this filler. Here you can, once you click on this button, it will show some color. So here, from here we can directly select the color. So for now I am selecting the color gold. Okay, so this is how we can set the background color for our text. Another one is foreground color. So foreground color means if you want to apply some color to the text, so just click on that cell, then from here uh, click on this option that is related to the text, and select the font color that you want to apply. So here I'm selecting red color, so it will show my text as a red. Another option is increase font size. So what do you mean by increase font size? If you want to increase any size of any text, so just click on that cell. Now we have two or three option here. So firstly, you can directly click on this button to increase the font size. So once I hit click this button, it will increase the text size, and if I click on this button, it will decrease the font size. So this is the one option of increasing the text size. Another option is from selecting this drop down. So once you click on this drop down, it will show some number, and from here we can directly select the font size. So for now I'm setting it as a 22, and if you double click on this column, so it will show the entire text. So that's how we increase the font size. And if we talk about decreasing the font size, so firstly I will increase the text from here 28. Now if you want to decrease the size of this font, so just click on this, and then either you can click on this icon for decreasing the font size, or you can directly select from this drop down. So if I select 10 here, so it will directly set my font size as a 10. Okay. Another option is font type 1. So if you want to change the type of font or font family, so just click on that cell, then go to the this drop down and select the font style, whatever the font style you want to apply for your text. For now I'm selecting this one, so it will change my font style for this particular text. And if we have multiple font families, so on line number 12 I will apply some other font family. So from this drop down we can select any font family we want to apply. So that's how we can change the font family of the text. So that's the only editing, basic editing that we can use and we can apply to the text. In the upcoming session we will see some more Excel tricks. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.